Hey folks, Troy here, and in this video I am going to be sharing with you a very simple and easy way for you to be able to earn unlimited $100 instant commissions on autopilot. So be sure to watch this video through to the end. I'm going to share with you how you can get access to this information, and I have been promoting this for some time now. Now, the name of this system is known as Quick System Pro, and when I found Quick System Pro, also known as QSP, I really was looking for something that I felt almost anyone would be able to afford, and I personally have been promoting mid to high ticket affiliate offers. And the truth is that I didn't want to turn people away just because they couldn't afford $1,000 or more to join an opportunity. So for a $100 product investment, you can make unlimited $100 instant profits. And when I first started, within the very first 17 days, I had already earned $1,300, and I continued making sales. So the thing about these digital marketing programs, as you can see here, it says discover how to turn this website into your website that generates you $100 direct payments. The thing about digital programs that I love a lot, number one, you get to get paid immediately. Unlike traditional network marketing or direct selling companies where maybe they pay once a week, usually every Friday, this pays out instantly. And with Quick System Pro, what you're going to find is you're going to find a system that allows you multiple different ways that you can earn payment. So I currently have these set up for Cash App. I have it set up for Venmo. Most people use a credit or debit card. And what you're going to do when you get access to this information is you're going to watch this short 2-minute and 41-second video. You're probably going to see another video in here, more of an explainer video. The way that you're going to get access to this information is by opting into this page. So I'm going to share with you how you can do that. Very simple. You enter your name, you enter your best email address, you click show me the video, and with Quick System Pro, you actually have 10 resellable products. You have master resell, right? So not only can you learn from these products, but you can also set them up and sell them should you choose. So these are fully hosted. You have a reseller's license that entitles you to continue earning commissions. And what are some of the ways you get paid? Well, you can set your system up to get paid in Bitcoin, in Stripe, in Google Pay, in Cash App, Zelle, Venmo. Also, you're going to notice a screenshot with some $100 commissions that are in here. And there's a warning, right? Here's the warning. This is not for people who are whiners, complainers, or serial refunders. The good thing about this system is there are no refunds, which protects you from refunds as well once you promote it. So if you're a negative or you're a complainer or a serial refunder, I'm telling you right now, this system is not for you. Now, what you're going to do is very simple. It gives you 4 simple steps. Step 1, you're going to send your $100 payment via any option above. As you saw, I've got 3 options set up. Step 2, after you pay your $100, it's very important that you send me an email to this email address. And, just basically what you're going to do is you're going to let me know, hey, I just paid you for Quick System Pro. You enter your name, your phone number, right? Your preferred email address. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you an email response basically with a way for you to set up your system, basically a video and a page. This literally takes 10 minutes to set up. It is extremely newbie friendly, and pay very close attention. So look for that email. If you join during normal business hours, you're probably going to get a response within about 10, maybe 15 minutes. If it's at night, late at night, or on the weekends, then you'll be getting a response to that email sometime during the morning. So one of the products that is extremely valuable is the very first one that you're looking at, 50 online side hustle ideas. Now, these are downloadable products, so as soon as you get access and set up your system, all you need to do is download the products. And just imagine for 1 second having 50 different ways that you can make money in your spare time, right? So this right here, I will tell you, is worth $100 just by itself. But just to scroll down and share some of the other things that you have access to in here, a lot of people, they want to promote their programs on social media. So Instagram guides for beginners, social media marketing made simple, right? Facebook groups unleashed. The traffic handbook. A lot of people want to know, well, how do I drive traffic to my website? You can do both free and or paid traffic methods. Free work very, very well. List building on a budget, right? This has to do with building your email list, but maybe you don't have a lot of financial resources. Email marketing success. Look, when I started really focusing on building a better email, one thing that I noticed, is I started getting a lot more open rates. I took my email open rates up from about 5 to 6% to as high as 14.5%. And then your click-through ratios, right? How many people are actually reading your emails, clicking on your links? That is going to teach you how to do that. Dominating YouTube. Look, if you're not using YouTube, which is free, video shorts, right? Video reels on other social media sites. I've had a couple of videos that have gotten over 1.5 million to 2.5 million views that gained me a lot of free traffic and generated a lot of leads and made sales. Boost your website traffic. How to increase traffic to your website using free and paid methods. Internet marketing for complete beginners, right? So look, what I'm getting at, and if you take anything away from this video, here's the deal. You and I get paid in direct proportion to our skill levels. So the more knowledgeable you are about marketing and getting leads and driving traffic, you take this education with you and you continue building on it. I've been marketing online for over a decade. I work 100% remotely from home. So I am telling you, don't be the hamster in the treadmill that's just spinning the wheel around and not getting anywhere. So as I wrap this video up, if you got some value from this, do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, drop me a comment, let me know, hey, I really like this. I'm excited to get started. I have some questions. I'll respond to your emails. And how do you learn more and get started? Very simple. If you're watching this video on YouTube, go to my YouTube channel right now, my channel link, and look for the link for Quick System Pro. If you're viewing this from an email that you received, go back to that email right now. Scroll to the bottom of the email and click on the link. That's going to give you access to the page that you're looking at right now, and then just opt in. So you can also visit my channel links to see other programs that pay even more money daily. And again, drop me a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching this video. Once again, my name's Troy. Hope you have an amazing day. Take care.